Now let's look at a roundabout. 4 cars arrive at the same time. How should this be handled? All cars should enter one after another, following a proper sequence. This helps prevent accidents and keeps traffic flowing smoothly. Always follow roundabout rules to avoid congestion and ensure safety. Next situation, there's an intersection where a truck on the main road wants to turn left. At the same time, a purple car wants to turn right, and a white car is positioned too close within its lane. What should be done? The white car must reverse slightly to give space to the truck, as trucks often need more room and may occupy 2 lanes when turning. After giving enough space, each driver can continue safely.